the barbarous strand. In fight unequal by an obscure hand, fell the last scion of thy brood of kings. Poor boy, thou wilt not flaunt thy cloak of red, nor ride in state through Paris in the van of thy returning legions, but instead thy mother France, free and republican, shall on thy dead and crownless forehead place the better laurels of a soldier's crown, that not dishonored should thy soul go down to tell the mighty sire of thy race that France hath kissed the mouth of liberty and found it sweeter than his honeyed bees, and that the giant wave democracy breaks on the shores where kings lay couched at ease.